For example, as being given here is temperature. So if our body is in a high temperature, so it will deviate from the normal temperature that body have. The normal temperature of body is 37, and if the environment, outside environment of the body, the temperature increase, so means that the body also will follow the increasing of the temperature. So this is not good for our body. So in order to make sure that our body temperature maintains at a normal level, that is 37 degrees Celsius, so our body have to do what we call this one as a homeostasis, to make sure that the higher temperature at the outside will not influence the temperature of our body inside. So from here, our body will having a process of homeostasis to make sure the normal, the balance and the stable condition of temperature will be maintained. Okay, so this is what we learn in this topic, homeostasis in living organism. So what is the important about this thing? Why we must make sure that our body be in a homeostasis? Why we must control and make sure that our body have a balanced and stable condition in every aspect? The main point here is our body require a normal condition in order the process that occur in our body will go in a good condition, and all the processes, especially the chemical reaction inside our body, will work in a good condition and function normally. If not, something will happen to our body in which our cell will not in a good condition, and at last the cell of organism may die. So in order to prevent this to happen, so our body must have this homeostasis to make sure we can survive in a long time. So this is the situation, and this is the reason behind the process of homeostasis. And not human, and not only human that can have this homeostasis, but all living things, all living organisms have their own homeostasis, because in order to survive in this environment, so we have must this homeostasis occur in our body. So now we proceed to the explanation about the homeostasis in our body. If you can see from here that our body will have to regulate many systems to make sure that our body will have a good condition, a stable and maintained condition. So in this syllabus form 2, we only learn about 2 systems that can be regulated by this homeostasis, that is regulation of body temperature and regulation of water content in our body. So we go to the next page. Okay, before we go to the explanation about the how our body control the temperature of our body, and also how our body control the content of water, so in general we can explain the homeostatic control process occur as given in the diagram. So if we can see here, if something happen to our temperature, our body temperature, for example, our internal environment in our body, such as the body temperature increases, so what will happen is our control center, that is the brain, will detect the changes. So after that, our brain with the control power will make a corrective mechanism, and in this corrective mechanism, our brain will try to reduce the temperature to a normal range. So there is a certain mechanism that we will learn after this. And same thing, when our body temperature decreases, a corrective mechanism will take place and the temperature will rise to its normal range. So this is the general explanation about what happened when something that not in the range of our normal condition happen to our internal body. Okay, so as we have learned, homeostasis is important to humans. So among the most important homeostasis in the human body are the regulation of water and body temperature, as we have as I have stated before. So now we will go into what exactly happened during the regulation of water content, and also what exactly happened during the regulation of body temperature.